Hello everyone, hola a todos, welcome to the first video of this Mitsubishi airplane, and I'm going to show you how to paint interior of the airplane. For this job I'm going to need black primer. Okay, I'm using from AK, the white primer. Oh, it's cut. I'm going to cut a little out, and I will show you guys why I'm going to do this version, the D version of this. I like this kind of painting work, and you can see right here on the top the color of the bottom. It's going okay. For this I'm going to use a Chinese airbrush, so I want you guys to see we can paint with a Chinese. So this is a 03 needle. If you paint a little there, no problem, you use a tool like this or X knife, and then just scrub tape here to mask, and then I use this color. Okay, one thing to dry, and of course if you guys know me, I have my dog and my cats around the studio in this direction. Okay, and you have no problems like that. This one is Conan. It's nice. One of the new videos I'm going to make, it's not going to be a bus, it's going to be a figure, and it's going to be nice for you guys to see how to paint flesh. Okay, so many colors for flesh, so many ways to paint flesh. So guys, this is how. Bye guys, and I catch you tomorrow on the next video. Bye.